The code U0184 in your Mitsubishi vehicle means that the control modules in your car can't communicate with the OEM audio system. Usually it means that the old OEM radio was replaced with something more modern and the system is confused. There are two solutions. First of all, you may ignore the code and forget about this, since it won't trigger any warning lights or anything else. It just silently sits in the various control modules, and that's all. If you want to get rid of the code, you will need a scan tool or diagnostic software with coding opportunities for Mitsubishi vehicles. You will need to change the audio section from present to not present, and the system will stop checking if the OEM radio is still there and communicates with other modules using the CAN bus system. There are plenty of free and paid software types that you can use, so just Google for it or ask any independent mechanic working with Mitsubishi to do that for you. Alternatively, the U0184 code may be registered when there are issues with the OEM radio or wiring in the system.